What's up, YTV? This is your boy DJ Y, and I'm back with another episode. Today we have to talk about Curtis 50 Cent Jackson. So last night, 50 Cent linked up with his fans in Houston, where he's showing us his skills in bowling. Check this out.
What she got? What she got? Oh, all right. All right, what he gonna do?
You're helping my score. Or crusade. Okay.
What's the score?
Guys, as you see, 50 Cent is king absolutely in everything, man. His skills is very underrated, bro. Shout out to Curtis 50 Cent Jackson. On the screen, you're watching 50 Cent chilling with his fans. Last night, he had meet and greet with his fans in Houston, man. This is big, this is to measure. Also, guys, if you don't know, in social media, they're talking about upcoming project by Curtis 50 Cent Jackson. They saying that currently 50 is working on his next album. This is hella dope, bro. So guys, stay tuned, subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptv.com. Before I will finish the video, I want to show you premiere of my new song. Check this out.
It's the night that I'm waiting so long. I hope you treat me kind. When I see you, baby, I'm losing my mind. Tonight you will be mine. Your nasty thought is wild, leave everything behind. Baby, you are mine, I'm with you all night. I'm the top-notch player, I'm the dope rhyme sayer. I don't need new friends, I ain't no traitor. Praying for my downfall prayers. Ladies love me cause I'm the pussy slayer. I hunt them like I'm a big alligator. I do it so good, I ain't got no time for a hater. I want you now and later. You can call me baby, smooth operator, triple crossing, a double data. I'm your invader, lift you up in the air like an elevator. My favorite app is calculator. You have to follow me cause I'm your navigator. I'm your drama regulator, lyrical assassin, and my eye red like a Terminator.